The new turbocharged powertrain produces a maximum power of 198 kilowatts, and a strong 420 Nm of torque, marking a 70 Nm improvement over the V6 it replaces. Peak torque is also developed from just 1700 rpm, 3000 rpm lower than the V6, through to 3600 rpm, offering smooth and effortless driving characteristics while improving fuel consumption by up to 0.4 liter with the GXL 2WD petrol now using 8.3 liter or 100 km on the combined cycle fuel test.